In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and click on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, you can finally use Clipboard by clicking on it and tapping on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and wait for the pop-up. Then select pin. You can always unpin it the same way. If you want to delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and tap on Delete option in the pop-up. Last but not least, if you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!